Welcome back to the channel, guys. So peeps, I know say me a pre-on stage in the night and Charlie Blacks was on, and Charlie Blacks said something about Bounty Killer, and it kind of bust a little idea in my head still.
Me have to big up Bounty Killer, my general saying. Why me have to big up Killer? Me I listen to Killer from before me even play sound system, because I was an artist before. Me know nothing how to play sound system. Me just couldn't bust a country and me go practice how to play sound system. Saying, when me write my first big song, and I go and do the promotion at Kingston, Kappa shot them bring me on a Fletchers and Dirty Friday we used to keep, and me go link Killer. Like me see him over a film call and me go link him, and before me walk away and grab him back and say, youth, you sound like you can write. Continue, cause I never know you was this good. See, when Killer tell me that 2007, I don't think no other artist can tell me nothing else. Me no want you from nobody else. So I'm not a part of Alliance, but that what Killer do for me, that's how when he do that as my artist, so me I listen too much here. Me no want you from nobody else. So that also helped me to stay away from the drama. If you notice, you never really hear my name called. Say me a this artist in a song or me a tune or whatever. You understand? Me just do music and keep it there. So Killer do a lot for me in my career by saying that to me that specific morning.
What really happened between you and Vibes Cartel, Bounty?
Listen, Keith, I just know that Cartel is a youth that I met and I rate him and respect his talent, and I try hard with him and he reach a certain stage and I don't know what.
It's still. I'm sit down and I pre the ratio, and when I reflect upon the thing, seeing anyone say them have Shabba ranks as they want to kick down the door and open up dancehall music. On a global stage, you have Shaggy and Sean Paul, where I rep the thing on the international stage. For a couple of years, we have had people like Patra and persons who have been doing their things on the international stage. But Bounty Killer for me is the godfather of dancehall. I don't think no artist has done more for dancehall at the local level than Bounty Killer has. I mean, this man has been in the business for what, close to 30 years and has sustained his career for that period of time. And during that time, yes, Killer have him ways. Killer is a man where not really afraid to call out nobody, not really afraid to say what up on his mind. I mean, he has improved in so many ways down the years. I mean, when I just started listening to Bounty Killer couldn't talk properly in our interview. And I mean, when I sit down and listen to Bounty, and I wonder if I see a Bounty Killer where he used to say, I are the one, and you understand me, even when I say a slang, see? But Bounty has grown, you understand, and the level of maturity in a Killer thing, you know, kind of inspiring, you understand me, I say? But you can't say dancehall and not say Killer. You understand? Because all of the giants them in a dancehall right now, some way or somehow has a link to Bounty Killer. You understand me? I say no artist in the business, no boss the amount of youths and dancehall champions, but Bounty Killer boss. You understand me? I say we are talking about Mr. Dancehall himself, Vibes Cartel, you say dancehall, just like Killer there. So me I say, so if you boss the biggest thing in the dancehall space for the past decade, it means say, yeah, the Godfather, and I think seeing Movado, we are talking about Busy, we are talking about I Don't, and we are talking about Bling Dog, seeing, we are talking about Kaledo, we are talking about man, like, even though Iron and Boss Big, them man they still in the dancehall space. See? So them there are some of the youth them will come out from under Killer wings and come do road and take on road. Elephant man. You understand me I say? And take on road on a level and can stand up in the business as giants in the business. But the thing about it is now, Killer is influential in many other dancehall artists' career without it being brought to the public. Yes, just like what Charlie Black said, and what Killer said to the man, you know, keep the man on a level to make the man know, say, yo, I can do that something here. If the warlord say I can do it, I can do it. You understand? And so right now, Charlie Black, I take Central and South America and Europe by storm. You understand me? I say, because when you look on it again, you know, the man help sustain being in man's career for the same amount of period of time with him in the business. So. You understand me? I say, I don't think that without a bounty killer, Beanie Man would have been the Beanie Man that he is, and vice versa. You understand what I say? So Killer responsible for push Beanie Man to the level there where him there right now, and vice versa. You understand what I say? Now when you look on it now, a man can cartel come a road, cartel can a whole host of youth come a road. So I say Ja Vinci, Popcorn, Black Rhino, Marital Family, Lisa I, Indu, Gaza Slim, the whole of them. You understand what I say? So the man has done it. You see what I say? And many persons don't want or wouldn't want to give Killer the credit when deserve. But as I said before, me not see which dancehall artist has done more for the business and youths in the business, making youths know say yo, them can achieve things out of the business than Killer. Yes, him have him ways. You understand what I say? But him are the man. Him are the man. Without Killer, there will be no cartel, there will be no Movado, there will be no Idonia. You understand? Beanie Man will be the Beanie Man that he is today. You see me the So we have to take we hats off to Killer and make a man know say yo my general. We see Shabba get OD the other day which him deserve. You understand? But Killer not the far behind either. And Killer has done it on the international stage. The man have big tune when hit with the 4Gs. The man have big tune when hit with No Doubt. You understand what I say? So Killer has been there. Killer has done it. You understand? It's just that he hasn't sustained that presence on the international stage. But he has done it. So Killer, me I say, yo, you're the man, my general. Zine, when you're on cartel, the artist still, you know, cartel of my artist for that level still had. We did say Gaza, we still say Gaza. You understand? But Killer, respect you, sir. You understand? You are the man, and you make certain things in the business possible right now. David Brooks, Adija Palmer, the two champions in the thing, your son them, you understand? And Cartel son them, you know, Popcorn and keep the flag flying high for the side, I think. Well, move out and really bust nobody still. Yo, it got the parts I got vexed about that, see, but that's true, who Vada was. You understand me? I say, Vada can bust anybody in that business in one, because Vada say artist, but I can't give one producer and pushing through and roll it, I go bust. But a Killer we a chat about, I don't still. See? So big up yourself, Warlord. Big up yourself. You bring certain youths to the road, you bring certain youths to the people, them, and we appreciate that. You see me, I say, you never hold on the youths them career, you make them know say yo, it's possible, and you help push them. Some of them kinda, you understand, the relationship never always work out, but you do what you couldn't do. So this is Steve saying, Bounty Killer, Rodney Price, aka the Warlord. I say youth, you're the general, I'm out.